Hello everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. Today we are going to practice some MCQs on typecasting or type conversion. We have already uploaded the tutorial video of this one in our previous video. So if you haven't watched it, please do go and watch it. Because if you watch it and then attempt this video, then you will be able to answer 90% of the questions present over here. So without any further delay, let's get started. First question. What is typecasting in Java? Option 1. Converting a variable to a different type without losing data. Second one. Converting a variable to a different type while losing data. 3. Storing variables of different types in an array. 4. Creating new data types in Java. The correct option is option 1. Converting a variable to a different type without losing data. Typecasting in Java allows you to convert a variable from one data type to another without losing data as long as the conversion is valid. Second question. Which type of typecasting in Java requires explicit coding by the programmer? Implicit typecasting, explicit typecasting, auto typecasting, none of the above. The correct option is second option, explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting, also known as casting, requires the programmer to provide code for the conversion. Float f equal to 10.5f. Now integer I equal to f casted to integer. In this example, we are casting the float variable f to an integer variable I. This is a valid typecasting conversion because int is a larger data type than float. Third one. What is the result of the following code snippet? Please observe it. First option, compiler error. Second option, runtime error. Third option, 10.0. Fourth option, 10. The correct option is third option, 10.0. Why? Because in this code snippet, an implicit typecast from int to double occurs and the value is preserved. Fourth question. What is the result of the following code snippet? Please observe it. First option, compiler error. Second option, 100. Third option, -100. Fourth option, runtime error. The correct option is option 2, 100. Why? In this code snippet, explicit typecasting from int to byte is used and the value 100 is preserved. Here the value of x is within the byte range, that is -128 to +127. That's why the value of y will be the value of x. But if the value of x is not within the range of byte, then there will be different output. Must try at your own computer. Okay. Fifth question. Which of the following is an example of explicit typecasting in Java? Please observe the options. The correct option is option 3. Why? The explicit typecasting integer is used to convert the double value 3.14 to an int. This is why. Okay. Sixth question. What happens when you perform typecasting from a larger data type to a smaller data type and the value is out of the smaller type's range? Option 1. Data will be truncated. Option 2. A runtime error occurs. 3. The program crashes. 4. The data is automatically converted to the smaller type's maximum value. Correct option is option 1. Data will be truncated. Question 7. What is the result of the following code snippet? Please observe it. Option 1, 150. Option 2, -106. Option 3, compiler error. Option 4, runtime error. The correct option is option 2, -106. In this code snippet, explicit typecasting from int to byte causes data truncation, resulting in the value -106. Question 8. What is the primary purpose of typecasting in Java? To create new data types, to change the variable's name, to convert data from one data type to another, or to optimize the performance of the program. Let's see the correct option. It is 3. To convert data from one data type to another. The primary purpose of typecasting in Java is to convert data from one data type to another when necessary. Question 9. Which of the following is an example of a dangerous typecasting conversion? Please observe the following options. It is option 1. Now let us see through the explanation. Option A is a dangerous typecasting conversion because it is casting a larger data type int to a smaller data type byte. This can lose data because byte has a smaller range than int. So over here we end our MCQ video. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like, share it with others and subscribe to our channel IntelliSkills. Till then, take care, bye, have a great day ahead.